All right, so let's set up our ad account. We're going to hop down to advertising, and you can click on any of these. I'm just going to click on Bid Optimizer to get started. This is my first sign in, so I need to create a brand profile. I'm just going to name it Demo Inc. and make sure you pick the right marketplace, and you can add notes if you want. I'm just going to hit create profile. Okay, so what you want to do, log in to Seller Central, and you can click on this little link here. It'll take you to the bulk operations page, and you're going to want to download a bulk file. So what you can do is pick your date range here. 30 days is a good one to kind of get started with. If you have a lot of data and you want to do like an audit to get started, you can do 60 days. That'll give you the most. There'll also be a video in the training for using our Chrome extension to schedule these downloads. So that can be nice, so you don't have to wait around for downloads to finish. But in general, you're going to want to choose for this. Typically, you can either do enabled and paused if you want kind of all your data, including the paused, or if all you're worried about is kind of what you actively have running, you can filter for just enabled. That'll make things a little faster. But I'm going to keep it on this for now, and 30 days. And then you're going to want to pick pause campaigns again. If you want to see the pause data, you can choose that. But campaign item with 0 impressions, you want that. If you want to create sponsor brands, video campaigns, stuff like that with the bulk campaign builder, you do need this ticked, but for most use cases, you won't need that. This one's also optional. The one you don't want to choose is this one. So this configuration right here is kind of the most common, I would say, if you want to also, like I said, include the pause data. All right, then you're just going to hit create spreadsheet, and it's going to download down here, and then you'll get a download link when it's ready. You can just save that to your desktop and you're ready to kind of go. And I definitely recommend download the SkuHero Chrome extension, using that to schedule out your downloads. That way you don't have to wait. Okay, so that's the process for downloading. Now to upload, all you're going to do is click. So I've got a demo file here. I'm just going to double click, and it will upload. So you can see down here it's uploading. After that, you're going to need to confirm it, and this just gives you the option to delete the file if for some reason it wasn't the right one. So you can click on that, and it's going to give you a little summary here. You can verify. You might want to rename it so you have the date and all of that organized, so you can easily tell which file is which, and then you'll just confirm that. Once you've confirmed that is the correct file, all right, then it's going to open up the data and it'll be ready for use at that point. That is how you download your bulk file, import it into SkuHero, and then we'll be working with the data now in the subsequent training videos. Once we're done with it, we're going to export the data, and then we'll upload it back right here to make all our changes. So it's kind of like a cyclical process, just using SkuHero to kind of do all the math and adjustments for us. So hope that makes sense. I'll see you guys on the next video.